Hi guys, so in the last video I showed you how to automate WhatsApp, how to react to messages, but I didn't show you how to use AI to automate WhatsApp messages, and I didn't show you how to send messages when you didn't receive anything. So in this video I'm going to show you how to automate both of these things within the MationX Studio. You're going to go to the MationX Studio, and from here you're going to pair your device as usual, and you are gonna go to plugins, and right here you need to enable WhatsApp and ChatGPT. You can also use Google Sheets if you want to save the messages to Google Sheets. That's something like CRM usage, so that would be helpful. So you can enable that as well. There are these configurations now, so you need to configure it right here. Just connect your Google account right here and set your secret key right here. So you're gonna use the OpenAI platform. I'm gonna create a new key from MationX. I'm gonna copy that key. I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna paste it and save it, and that's about it. That's everything you need to do. And right now you can use these blocks. Both of these plugins are available in the Pro plan. Make sure to use the link in the description to get free trial on the Pro plan. And okay, let's continue. So let's go to projects and let's create a new project. WhatsApp. Now we have the manual run block as usual. We won't need it. And now let's add a block, and let's use WhatsApp, and we can try when message is received on the personal version. Let's do nothing this time. And let's save the sender name. Let's save the JID of the user, which is the special ID of the user. And that's about it. We won't use the notification reply this time because I want to show you how to send messages, like even when they don't send it to you. Okay. So, boom, I'm gonna save it like this. We can add another block right here. And let's use ChatGPT. Let's use generate text, and let's ask it, hi GPT, he sent me on WhatsApp, and we're gonna use the WhatsApp text variable. Now let's do nothing here. Let's save it. Right now it should use the AI to create this response. These are variables right here, so you will use these variables. And let's now add a block after this is generated, and let's use again Google Sheets. Let's use up and row. We'll go here to our Google Sheets. We will copy the Google Sheets link. We will go back, we will paste the link. I will close this tab. We will input the sheet name. So what I like to do is I like to set basically the names of the columns on the top. So like sender, let's copy the sender. Let's put it here, sender. That is the sender. This is the variable I'm inputting. Boom, and now let's add another block. I'm gonna actually need to add here response. Okay, so let's add here response. Let's use the AI response, and let's save it. Now let's test it right now, because right now what should happen is that the person sends us a message, we will generate a response, and we will save everything to the Google Sheets. So let's run it on my phone. It's running. Let's go right here. So let's say, hi Peter, what is 1 + 1? Basically we'll send any WhatsApp message, and as you can see, here's the sender, here's the JID, here's the message, and here's the response that ChatGPT provided. So now how to respond. In the last video I showed you how to respond through the notification, which is invisible. It's better. If you want to reply with any way, you can add another block. You will go to WhatsApp, and you will do send message, and right here you will input the phone number and paste it right here, and in the message I will put this AI response. Boom. So let's have it like this. By the way, if your phone is like turned off most of the time, you will want to add wake and unlock block, which will basically wake your phone up, and you can also unlock it with your PIN. So you'll add your PIN and it will unlock your phone, or you can disable the PIN in the settings and then you can use it without this. So that's about it. Let's now try it. So I will restart this automation. I will go back to this page, and let's ask, for example, hi Peter, how to make an ice cream. And I send the message is received on the phone. Now, yep, it basically went to the WhatsApp, it replied to me, the AI replied to me, and we have everything that the AI is basically responding. So this is how you send messages. You can also send messages triggered by time, or triggered by manual runs, or triggered by anything. Here are the triggers you can use. And remember guys, if you have any function you want to add, you can just text on my Reddit. The link is in the description and I will add it. So that will be about this video guys. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.